Hey, geometry students. I wanted to just summarize the lesson that you started previously and are going to practice today. So it was about trig ratios. You learned that trig ratios are ratios in triangles, and I just wanted to show you the different types of these. So easy way to remember this is an acronym called Sohcahtoa. This acronym helps you remember which trig ratio it is, so sine, cosine, or tangent. And it also tells you the ratio of the sides in the triangle. For so, the S stands for the sine of the angle, the O stands for the opposite side of that angle, and H stands for the hypotenuse. So represents the sine ratio, opposite over hypotenuse. The K is CAH, stands for cosine, and then adjacent side to that angle and hypotenuse. So this part of the acronym stands for cosine, adjacent side over hypotenuse, and then the TOA is the tangent. The T is tangent, O is opposite, A is adjacent. So tangent of an angle is the opposite side over the adjacent side. Here's an example of what it looks like. So if I have this triangle, and I'm taking the sine or the cosine tangent of angle A, so I'm only focused on A. The sine of angle A would be the opposite side, which is 3, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So this would be our trig ratio, 3 over 5. The cosine of that angle would be the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. The adjacent side is the 4 over the hypotenuse of 5, so 4/5. And then the tangent of angle A would be the opposite side, which is 3, over the adjacent, which is 4. So that's where those ratios come from. Sohcahtoa, if you can remember that acronym, that's a huge help, I think. If we're doing angle B, sine of angle B would be the opposite, which is 4, over the hypotenuse 5. Cosine of B would be the adjacent, which is the 3, over the hypotenuse. And then tangent would be the opposite, which is the 4, over the adjacent, which is 3. So hope that helps. Now you can feel free to use this video as you practice and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, everyone.